day of news around here, not just with the elections, but obviously with us tracking Nicole here.
Yeah, and we have the latest update from the National Hurricane Center and Forecast Track for you. If you're just waking up and joining us, by the way, you can scan this QR code and you will have access to all the latest details and information regarding subtropical storm Nicole. So let's take a look, because the forecast cone, it shifted a little bit to the north, but I don't want you to focus on that, because this is such a large system that all that moisture and the winds will still be impacting us, my friends, here in South Florida. So yes, right now it is expected to transition to a tropical system later today and begin strengthening, and then a forecast to move across the Bahamas tomorrow before it intensifies into a Category 1 hurricane and makes landfall somewhere along the east coast of Florida, likely late Wednesday, possibly into Thursday, and then it'll continue moving northward across central Florida, the Panhandle, and eventually turning to the northeast and heading across the southeastern United States and up the mid-Atlantic. And I want to show you a close-up view of the cone, because really Nicole could be making landfall anywhere from Palm Beach or Melbourne or even areas northward, all depending on how it evolves and what takes place over the next 24 hours. But you know what? We still have a hurricane watch for Broward County, a tropical storm warning as well. Tropical storm watch continues for Miami-Dade County, and now a tropical storm watch has been issued for the west coast of Florida, and still recovering from Ian, by the way. And we look at the satellite image. I mean, look at this thing. It's immense, and the wind field stretches out hundreds of miles from the center because it's still subtropical, and we're looking at a very asymmetrical system, but it's expected to become a little bit more organized and symmetrical. And a storm surge is another concern for us. Could see a storm surge of 1 to 2 feet in Miami-Dade, 2 to 4 feet in Broward County. Add to that the king tides, which will be taking place around 10 a.m. in Key West, around 8 a.m. in Miami and Fort Lauderdale, the high tides. And subtropical storm Nicole, looking at those tropical storm force winds of 39 miles per hour. You see the large area that encompasses. So we take a look at the arrival time of tropical storm force winds, and that'll likely be tomorrow morning for Palm Beach, Broward County, and then that will stretch out across Miami-Dade County. So basically, with that counterclockwise rotation and all that moisture, we're going to see gusty squalls on and off again throughout the day. Tomorrow will likely be the worst weather.